Imagine, it's the year 2026. Overnight, you've lost everything, and you're left with nothing but the clothes on your back and the knowledge you've accumulated over the years. No funds tucked away in offshore accounts, no cryptocurrency tucked under a digital mattress, just you, the world around you, and $0 to your name. What would you do? In such a scenario, while it might seem daunting, there is a strategy I believe could pave the way back to not just surviving, but thriving. Let's explore what this plan entails. First, before diving into any actionable steps, the initial order of business would be to mentally reset. The importance of psychological resilience cannot be overstated. A calm mind lays the foundation needed to navigate challenging situations. A positive outlook and a clear vision will serve as your guiding light, helping to make rational decisions instead of dwelling in despair. Next comes the essential need for shelter and sustenance. With no money in hand, a strategic way to secure a temporary living space is through leveraging community resources. This means exploring local networks, finding shelters, or reaching out to friends or acquaintances for short-term accommodation. Meanwhile, securing food through volunteer opportunities or soup kitchens could ensure sustenance. This isn't about mere survival. It's about positioning yourself to quickly regain your feet. Once the basics are secured, the focus shifts to generating quick income, which means tapping into the gig economy. Platforms offering freelance work are a practical launch point, allowing individuals to capitalize on any marketable skill they possess, be it writing, graphic design, or digital marketing. The availability of smartphones, even through public libraries or community centers, provides a critical link to these opportunities. By offering skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, one can generate income within hours or days of consistent effort. Parallel to this, we mustn't overlook the power of networking, as human connections often serve as catalysts for opportunity. Consider reaching out to former colleagues or professional contacts. In 2026, social media will remain an invaluable tool to rebuild professional networks and explore opportunities. LinkedIn can be particularly useful for this. By engaging in communities relevant to your expertise, you not only establish connections but also keep up to date with potential job opportunities or collaborations. Then, with initial income streams in place, the challenge lies in efficiently managing this newfound cash flow. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle would be critical at this juncture. Every penny has to be accounted for, prioritizing essentials while avoiding the allure of non-essential expenditures. Consider setting up a basic budget that addresses immediate needs, but gradually reallocates some percentage towards savings or reinvestment. Speaking of reinvestment, acquiring new skills is paramount. The year 2026 will continue to witness rapid technological advancements. Online courses and certifications, many available for free or at a minimal cost, can provide the edge needed to adapt to a changing job market. The ability to learn and pivot is crucial for reestablishing a stable, long-term income. Lastly, as stability returns, one must aim towards building assets that generate passive income. This step represents not just recovery, but a step toward financial independence. Whether through online businesses, real estate investments, or stocks, the goal is regenerating wealth that eventually doesn't require time or labor to sustain. To sum up, starting over with absolutely no financial assets in 2026 might initially appear insurmountable. Yet the approach we've discussed provides a tangible path. By fostering resilience, leveraging every available resource, staying adaptable, and never losing sight of the long-term objectives, transforming adversity into a success story isn't just possible. It's the expected outcome for those who dare to dream and act decisively. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.ket.ill9t05.com.